bucket time!
Oh, look! Today is the 15th of December. The number 15! Wow! The 15th of December. But what's in my bucket? There's only one way to find out. That's it. Let's go and take a look. Come on. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic! Oh, my bucket has the number 15 on it. The number 15. But what could be inside? There's only one way to find out. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Today's object begins with the letter A. The letter A. And that makes the ah sound. Ah! Can you make that sound? Wow, that is brilliant! Ah! Reindeer have these on their heads. They look a little bit like branches. Do you know what it is? Yes, they're antlers. Reindeer antlers. That's given me a little bit of an idea. Why don't we have a go at making our own antlers? Come on, let's go and create together. I have some things here that I thought might be useful to make some reindeer antlers. I've got some twigs with lots of bits branching off of them, which will be very helpful when we're decorating them. I've got some pom-poms, some pipe cleaners, a headband that I don't use anymore, and some baubles. When you decorate these antlers, you can use whatever you like. You might use paint or glitter or some tinsel. It's up to you. For this one, I'm going to first start off by putting it on the hairband. I'm going to use a pipe cleaner and wrap the pipe cleaner around the twig and the hairband, twisting it around and around as tight as I can to make sure it stays on. Round and round like that. Yes, what do you think? Should we put the other one on too? Okay, pop that one on too, like that. We get another pipe cleaner and then we'll wrap it around as tight as we can to hold it in place. Great! Look! So when we put it on,
wow!
Yes! But I think we need to decorate them. We can put some baubles on, like that. I've got a sparkly pine cone I can put on there like that. Some of the twigs we might use just to wrap the pipe cleaner around to decorate it that way. I have painted them before and it is really nice to do. You can paint it any colour you like. Green or red, purple, or even gold. That would be nice. And now I've got some pom-poms that are all tied in string. I'm going to wrap that around like that. Around this one needs a little bit around here. You can really take your time with this and make it as beautiful as you like. There we go. I'll pop a little bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling, on that bit there. Yeah! What do you think? My decorated antlers. Why don't you have a go at making some antlers? They could jingle just like these ones. Have a go, guys! Why don't you have a go? Look, yes, it's the number 15. 1 and 5 together make the number 15. Look over there. There's a shiny red nose. I think that might be Rudolph's nose. And there's some more. I wonder how many there are. Are you ready to count them with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Red noses. But not just any nose. This is Rudolph's nose. 15 of them. Today is the number 15. Hooray! It's time for the antlers to go back in my bucket, ready for Christmas. But I wonder what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow. I can't wait to find out. With me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.